guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a sunset eyeshadow look and I think it's going to turn out really cool and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let's get started. So already, if you watch most of my videos, you already know that the only really eyeshadow palettes I use are these two. They're like the Huda Beauty ones, and I use the ColourPop one too, but I'm not going to use that one in today's video. So today I'm just going to use the Warm Brown Obsessions and the Mauve Obsessions, and yeah, for the sunset eyeshadow look, and I think it's going to look amazing. So I'm going to do first is I am going to get some tape, and I'm just going to tape my eye on where I want the look to stop. So I'm going to take some tape here, and I'm going to take some tape. I'm just going to apply it like right there, kind of match it up with my eyebrow. And by the way, if my eyebrows look really bad, it's because, like, I don't know, they're really uneven. And if my face looks really light here, I bought the wrong concealer. So yeah, start off with priming my eye right here with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the shade Caffine. I'm just going to take that out like this. I'm just going to put it on my eye here. Just like that. Alright, and I'm going to take my brush here. It's like a flattish kind of brush. I'm just going to use it to mix it in. You can get it on the tape too. That's cool. That's why the tape is there. So that it doesn't really get anywhere else that you don't want it to go. And after I move that around, spread that around, I'm just going to take my beauty blender here and I'm just going to mix that in. Like that. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a kind of flattish angled brush. And this brush is super dirty, but yeah, I'm going to take a flattish angled brush and I'm going to start off with the Warm Brown Obsessions. I'm going to open this and we're going to start off with this color right here. So I'm going to take some of that into my brush here, like that. I'm just going to start putting it at the top of my eye here, like that. And you kind of want to get it on the tape too, so that like it looks cooler when you take the tape off. So to make sure that's on my eyelid, and you can kind of see it there. Next color I'm going to do is going to be this color right here at the bottom. I'm just going to take that color onto the same brush, and I'm just going to put it right directly underneath this. Also, sorry if you can hear a lot of background noise, my window is open, so yeah. Okay, the next color I'm going to take is going to be this color right here. Oops, can you see that? It's right at the bottom here. Just going to take that onto my brush and I'm going to put it literally like right under there. And I'm going to get it onto there. And now I'm going to switch palettes and open the Mauve Obsessions. Okay, I can even open that. Just dust off my brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here. Can you see that? This color. Sorry. I just got a new camera like yesterday. So this is the first time using it and I think it looks pretty good. And yeah. Also peep the white background I literally just got. Yeah, so once this is on my brush, I'm just going to take it and put it in like the end of my eye here. Like right in the corner-ish here. Okay. So once that is all done and it kind of looks like that-ish, I'm going to go back in with my eyeshadow primer. This time I'm not going to directly put it onto my eye. I'm just going to take it out so it looks like this. And then, where's my brush? Oh, okay. I'm going to take this brush here. It's kind of like, ooh, you can't even see that. I'm going to take this brush here. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a sturdy kind of brush. I don't really know how to explain it. But it doesn't really move around. Like, there's not a lot of bristles to move around in. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take this, and I'm literally just going to dab some of that onto it. I'm not really doing a cut crease look. I'm just kind of like, I don't really know. I'm just putting it in the middle here. So I'm going to take that. I'm just going to apply it at the bottom here to start. The bottom of my eyelid to start. I'm going to slowly move it into the inner corner of my eye. And start brushing out words. I'm going to start brushing outwards like that. Yeah, so once that's all kind of blended in, I can't talk. Once it's all kind of blended in, I'm going to take my beauty blender here and I'm just going to go over it a bit to make sure it's in. Leave the look like that because I think it looks pretty nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Go back in with my Mauve Obsessions. I can't even open anything today. I'm going to go back in with this brush and I'm going to go back in with the last color I just used. And I'm just going to put it back in the corner of my eye on the tape. And now I'm going to take a clean brush that I've literally never used before today. And I'm just going to use it to blend in all colors. And that's kind of the look for today. So now I'm going to take my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. And I'm going to put some on my eye. I'm literally not good at eyeliner at all. But I'm going to try it for today. So I'm going to... My stuff keep on falling. You can't even see it. Why do I... Okay, so I'm going to put some on my eye. So I'm going to start... I don't know if you can see it. You can see that? But yeah, so it's going to look like that. My eye literally looks terrible. It's going to look like that. And then I'm just going to take off this tape here. And that's... Oh, I messed up there. That is the eyeshadow look. I think it looks pretty nice. Whoa, kudos to me. Now I'm going to take a smaller kind of brush and I'm just going to go in with two colors that I used. I'm going to go in with this color right here at the end. Dab that onto my brush. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to go under my eye a bit with the color here. And I'm going to go into the Mauve Obsessions and I'm going to take this pinkish color here. It's not even pink. Oh my goodness. It's like... maroon, I guess, yeah. I take it and I'm just going to put it directly in the same spot. Oh, I just looked it into my eye. I'm going to take it and put it directly into the spot I just did here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and I'm just going to put it onto my eyes. I don't really wear eyelashes. I've never really tried them before, so I don't really know how they look. There. That's the eyeliner. That's the eyeshadow look for you. And now I'm going to do this eye quickly and come back. Okay, so I'm back and now I have both eyes done nicely. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Color Fx. Whoa, I just shined my entire room. You could see that entire room. Okay. Ignoring you could see the entire reflection of my room. And yeah, it's very dirty. It's like a mirror. Whoa. Whoa. So I'm going to take this Color Fx thing. And I'm going to open it up. Ooh, ooh, yeah, there's a mattress behind there. That's cool. It's really cool. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take my pinky. I'm gonna dab it in there. You can't even see that. I'm gonna take my pinky and dab it in there. I'm just gonna put it in the corner of my eye here. I'm so great, I'm so skilled. I'm gonna take this finger now because like I messed up with my pinky. With eyes, and this one has a little bit more, so like gotta add more to this one. I put way too much on that one. The third time. Alright, so my camera just shut off for like, I don't even know, the first time. It's too hot in this room. Yeah, I opened the window, but like I don't think that's doing anything. So I just put the highlighter on, so I'm going to take my fan brush here, dab it in there quickly. I'm just going to put some on my nose and that's it. Ooh, shiny, glossy. Whoa. Okay, and that's it. And, oh, I could put some, just taking this finger, I'm just going to put some there. Doing the same thing, the other one. Put some gloss there. Shine. Ooh la la. It looks amazing. I'm gonna take this quickly and just put this on my lips. Ah! I literally just... I just slapped it on. I'm gonna take this Stay Matte thing by Rimmel. And I'm just gonna put it on the middle of my lips. I'm gonna take a finger that's not covered in highlight and I'm just gonna mush that around a bit. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you can like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and turn on both notifications so that you can get some, I don't know, notifications when I post next. Yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I think it was really fun making it, and yeah, well, see you next time. Bye!